Okay, good morning. So today we're gonna paint the rims kay gitaya na because of the dogs being in it. So the first thing to do is remove this and make sure you have every tools necessary. A good old jack. Oh, not this one. And a tire wrench and this hook. So first things first, you have to loosen the nut. This is very important because if you don't do this, then you will skip the most important step in removing or changing tires. After loosening them, you have to jack the car and make sure you do it properly. Come here, Adam. Dire. So, you see this? This is the jack slot. Ali bol, tanawa bol. Dire. Naog diha, ayaw sige upo. Can't do it like that, Bambo. You have to.
I saw it already.
Kini, di ba?
Yeah.
Kini nga part, gituyo ni siya og muna ani para diri ni maibutang imong jack. And this part is like strengthened to hold the weight of the car. So what you do is position the jack.
Ayos.
Wala ya puro kay na yan, sandi niya. Check sa kung nasakto ra ba ang angle. Uy. Sakto ra? Okay. So what you do is imong i-position diri ang jack and make sure kung medyo kuan inyong surface dili kayo flat, make sure you find a place nga flat. And then what I like to do is put a piece of wood diri sa surface to increase the surface area para dili kayo ma-focus sa usa ka area ang pressure. But wala ko'y kahoy, so I use cardboard. And then diri position nimo imong jack, imo siyang i-adjust daan para duol-duol na siya diri. And then make sure you hit the spot, and then that's it. So kung OC ka, like most of the people, you hadlok ka nga dili mo matarong og jack, so imo jud siya i-position ana. And then put a little pressure para mahugot. And then mo ni magic ani niya. Use this and then this. So no need na to buy adtong sa Shopee nga para mo to dali tuyokon ang kini nga jack, because your car manufacturer provided for you. So this is very easy, right?
Oh, it's lifting the car up.
Yeah. So you can see it's lifting the car already.
Gaya pa.
Yeah. You want to try?
Yeah.
Come here. So even a kid can do it. Adam will show you how. No. Oh, wait, Adam, wait. Your hand positioning is wrong. Na. Ayaw easy kay mahagong sa cellphone. Na. Okay, even kids can do it. So the wheel is not off the ground yet, so have to do a couple more. So, a little, sige pa, kulang po yan. wheel is now off the ground. Okay? Sige. Video niya. Na itong patuyo ko na ligid.
Wow.
So, the wheel is off the ground. Right? Okay, now, it's time to do the nut removal. No pun intended. Very easy, guys. Right? It's off.
Ano yan?
Oh.
Kapapit sila papa.
Mas mag-guessing.
Hawa, bibo. Hawa sa mo din.
Cut na na yan.
Isa sa yan.